So hello everyone, I have received a new model last week and I'm going to unbox it today. It's a Boeing 747 British Overseas Airways Corporation, G-AWNB, and I'm going to do it outside in the patio today because I've got not very good lights. It's a bit windy, so let's check it out. Sweet. Pretty slick looking box. Set this aside for a moment. Stand. Pretty slick. It's nice and heavy, metal, polished base. Rolling gear. All the antennas are in place. Quite a lot of detail. Got the antennas on the top too. Go ahead and try to put this stand on here. It's my first time doing this, so I don't want to break it. Looks like they got a screw in place here to provide a space for the stand. I think I'll mess with this in a second. But let's take a look here. A lot of detail of the freight doors. Spinners are painted too. couple of marks from the package, but nothing out of control. G-AWNB, G-AWNB. This is actually the first plane I ever rode on, some 42 something years ago. With me and my mom, we flew this from London Heathrow to Chicago Airport, O'Hare. It's kind of special for me to have this notated, and also having the signature in the British Overseas livery pilot actually signed the book for me. Pretty slick. Well, I'll get the stand on here and we can take a look. So here we are again looking at the G-AWNB BOAC 747-100. This is Aviation Retail Direct, but I believe it's actually made by In-Flight 200 or In-Flight Models. And I bought this particular one from Collector Jets out of Massachusetts. I am pretty excited to see that it does come with some interesting details. The package, the box, and also the postcard is pretty interesting. The model itself, highly detailed. I'm really liking these winglets here. Nice touch. Everything looks really good. A lot of detail. The stand's decorated nicely. It's metal, but it has kind of a wood look to it. Doesn't fit in there particularly tightly in the bottom, but it gets the job done. Still quite spectacular. I wish it actually had a more of a in-flight posture, but it is what it is. So a nice addition. Nice detail in the APU. The tires look really good. They actually have the treads in them. You can see they roll, but they don't tilt. But the detail looks really nice. The fit's extremely nice. The paint looks really good. Quite impressed. Especially with all the detail of the paint on the doors. And also nice beacon light here, which is good actual jewel instead of just painted. Very nice. Anyway, pretty impressed.